Hello YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Today I went and I picked up a new beta, and I actually like this guy because he has colors that are pretty similar to a wild type. And the reason why I'm saying it looks pretty similar to a wild type is because he's like not super bright, and he's got the blue highlights on his body, but then he's got the long red fins. And the wild type basically has the kind of a dollish body with blue, green, and sometimes red highlights, and then the fins on the males are pretty much red, but they're short. I picked this guy up out of the betas at the shop because he was one of the smaller ones, so I assumed he was younger. And even though there were some red ones, which I thought looked pretty nice too, but they were larger and quite a bit more grown. So far he's shown no aggression whatsoever towards any of the fish here, and he's just swimming around. And now he's in hiding. And as for the species profile that I want to do it on the Bumblebee Gobies, because I kept those actually when I was very, very, very young, and I had some pretty good success with them. Had them live for about 2 years, even though I didn't really know anything about them when I bought them. So I think before I do that, I'll do a little story about those Bumblebee Gobies before I make the species profile. So when I was I think I was about 12 years old, I went to a pet shop. I don't remember what the name of it was. I think it might have been Best West Pets or something like that. And I went to shop, I got these Bumblebee Gobies, and I bought 2 of them. And they didn't really tell me anything about them since I was 12 years old and I was quite impressionable. So I bought them, I brought them home, and basically they did fine in my tank. I didn't have any salt or anything in my tank, but I was living in Winnipeg, so we had hard water, which is something those Gobies actually liked. And they did fine. Had them for 2 years, and they eat flake, which is something they're said to normally not do. And they lived for 2 years until I moved up north, and what happened was the water went from being hard to quite soft, and that's what did them in. So that was one instance of me doing an impulse buy and the fish actually doing quite well. And since I'm much older now, I don't do impulse buys. I pretty much research everything before I buy it. And I'm even pretty picky when it comes to the fish I purchase. For example, that beta, I spent about 40 minutes or so staring at all the betas and the little bulls until I picked one that I actually liked. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to bring the species profile on the Bumblebee Goby pretty soon. I also want to do one on the Platy, Glow Light Tetra, and there's quite a few other ones I want to try too. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.